Are you trying to decide between Canary Mail and Spark? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two email apps to help you choose the right one for you. Both Canary Mail and Spark aim to improve your email experience. They focus on organization, ease of use, and features that make managing your inbox simpler. But they have some key differences. Let's start with Canary Mail. This app is known for its strong privacy features. It uses end to end encryption, keeping your emails secure. It also has a clean, user friendly interface. You can easily categorize your messages and find what you need quickly. Canary Mail is great for those who value privacy and simplicity. Now, let's look at Spark. Spark shines with its collaboration tools. It allows teams to work together on emails, making it easy to share and discuss messages. The app also offers smart sorting, which organizes your emails automatically. This is perfect for busy professionals who need to stay organized and work with others. So, what are the main differences? Canary Mail focuses on privacy and a straightforward design, while Spark emphasizes collaboration and smart organization. If you want strong security, Canary Mail is your best bet. But if you work in a team and need to share emails, Spark is the way to go. When it comes to pricing, both apps offer free versions with basic features. However, they also have premium options for advanced tools. It's worth checking their websites for the latest details. In the end, your choice depends on your needs. If privacy is your top priority, go for Canary Mail. If you need to collaborate with others, Spark is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and